Ladies and gentlemen, we are back in the studio again today. This is your boy Manny with one more review. Today, I got an unboxing for you guys. You're gonna love what I got for you guys. But before we get started, stick to the end of the video because we have a treat for you. It's the first for our YouTube channel. So what we're doing is our first giveaway. So stay to the end of the video. We have all the information, all the details on how to enter, what we're gonna be giving away. Trust me, it's a treat. You guys are gonna love it. But either way, starting with the video, this is what we got for you today. It's the OnePlus Watch, guys. It came in, let's unbox it, let's open it, take a look at it, and see if we like what OnePlus did with the watch. Stay tuned. All right, so here we have it. Let's unbox this little bad boy and see what comes in this box. I hate these little tabs. I should have used my knife, but we got the tab nonetheless. Let's take off the plastic. Nice little box, and let's go ahead and try to pop this open. Let's see here, guys. All right, here we go. Man, I'm excited about this one, guys. Oh man, this looks nice. Man, I can already tell you I like how this looks, guys. Look at that. I like the little pattern on the band. Looks nice. Let's take off this little plastic, figure out how to pop this guy off here so we can get our first glimpse at the watch. Man, it looks pretty cool. Very similar to the actual Samsung Active as far as the round and how it looks. Very nice. Let me take off my Apple Watch. Put that over here to the side because I kind of want to put this on and see how it looks. Sorry, I'm out of frame there, guys, but had to put the watch on. Kind of goes in and there you have it. I mean, it looks very nice. I mean, I have big hands and big arms. But it looks good. The only downside I can tell you right off the bat about the size is for someone with skinnier hands, skinnier arms, maybe a woman, they're gonna have trouble, you know, as far as size goes, because it is kind of big. It only comes in 46 millimeters. You get what you get and that's it. Unlike Apple that you can get two different sizes, unlike Samsung that you can get two different sizes. So that's something that maybe they'll work on later on in the future, but it looks good. I mean, I like the shiny part of it. Kind of looks like that stainless steel look to it. So it looks nice. I'm definitely gonna have to sit here and review it. The side is cool. I don't know if this gets into focus and you can see that, but one of the buttons actually has the OnePlus on it, which is pretty cool. I think it looks good for their first watch. I mean, it's not bad at all, guys. I'm trying to turn this on here. Well, there you go. There's the OnePlus logo. I mean, here it is compared to the Apple Watch. I have the 44 millimeter Apple Watch here, the Series 6. And obviously it's a little bit bigger, but it still looks nice. It's not bad at all by any means. I like the fact that it's round. No, I do not want to change. I like the fact that it's round. I think it looks very, very cool. The band is nice. I like that we can take them off. That means that there is gonna be third-party bands coming out for it and cool things that you can, adjust and take different bands and different looks to it. But I really like it. I think it looks cool so far. First looks, it looks nice. Let's put it off to the side and see what else we get here in the box. In this, there's nothing in there. Then we get the accessories tab. Right here, you have some literature from OnePlus and the warranty card. Put that off to the side. And here in the middle, we should have our charger. And here we go. There's the charger that comes with it. I'll put that off to the side. So the charger is actually pretty cool. I'm not gonna go super into detail, but also, obviously connects to the back like that magnetically and goes on there. The cool thing about the charger is, if I'm not mistaken, if you charge it for 30 minutes, you get up to a week. And if you charge it for an hour, you get up to 2 weeks of battery life with the charger. So, I mean, that's pretty cool. That's one of the things that I'm most excited about the actual watch is the battery. The fact that it lasts for 2 weeks, I think that's awesome. Now, of course, I'm gonna test it and see why it lasts for 2 weeks, because if it's, you know, if it's doing a lot of stuff, I doubt it's gonna last for 2 weeks. But that's one thing that I've always wished the Apple Watch had, which is a little bit better when it comes down battery life. So you can actually use that sleep tracking mode. I think that's awesome. You know, and even then, it doesn't have to be a 2-week battery, but if it's a good 4 or 5 day battery, I think that's awesome, because, you know, then you can, the cool thing about the charging, again, it's fast. So if you have it on and you're running low on juice, you can just go shower, change, you know, you have it on your charger while you're doing all of that, and then you're back to full battery. But not gonna lie, guys, I really like it. I think it looks very nice. It's very aesthetically pleasing. I like the band. The band is as long as the Apple Watch band, the large one. So that's also another thing. This is the medium large. With the Apple Watch, you do get the small attachment to it. The bottom part of it, you don't get it with the OnePlus, you only get one size. But I do know that they have where you call their customer service or you message your customer service and they'll send you a smaller band. I don't know how I feel about that. I wish it was just included in the box, you know, right then and there. So if I do have a smaller wrist, I can still use the watch. But again, we'll get further into detail in the reviews, guys. But it looks nice. You guys let me know what you think. All right, so what do you think? There it is, you have it unboxed in your face, the OnePlus Watch. What do you think? Is it worth it? Do you like it? Does it look nice? Please let me know down in the comments below. I'm gonna take this whole week, I'm gonna wear it every day, I'm gonna work out with it, I'm gonna have it on all day, all night, I'm gonna sleep with it, I'm gonna test it completely, and then next week's video, I'm gonna do a review on it to kind of give you the good and the bad. I know on YouTube, I've seen a lot of reviews on it and it's not looking good for the watch, but I still gotta do it myself. I gotta figure it out because it's, you know, it's up to what you think and what you feel. So I'm gonna do the review and I'll let you guys know next week what I think about the watch. But straight into the giveaway, guys. Thanks for watching the video. Remember, like, comment, and subscribe to our YouTube channel. But as far as the giveaway, some of you guys might have guessed it, some of you guys maybe figured it out, but this is what we are giving away. Yes, we are giving away the OnePlus Watch, brand new, sealed, not opened. It's gonna be given away to you guys. So what we're gonna do is, I'm gonna tell you how it's gonna work. You're gonna, number one, like our YouTube video. Number two, you're gonna subscribe to our YouTube channel. And then you're gonna go onto Instagram and you're gonna follow us on Instagram. Once you've done those 3 things, you're gonna head back to YouTube to this video and you're gonna comment down below, done. As soon as you do all those things, you will automatically be entered into the raffle to win the OnePlus Watch. Next week on Sunday, when we post our video, that's when we're gonna go over and that's when we're gonna choose our winner. Guys, I'm excited. This is the first time we've done this on the channel. You know, this is like a little thank you for you guys. You guys have supported me and you guys keep on supporting me. And we're gonna keep doing little things like this because without you guys, we are nothing. Anyways, guys, this is Manny signing out with one more review.